Welcome back to Peston on Sunday. Joining me now is Gina Miller, the businesswoman who won a Supreme Court case, got to get my mouth around that, and forced the PM to get the assent of Parliament before triggering those all-important EU exit talks. Gina, you have been talking in this past few days about the possibility of going back to court over the whole issue of Parliament's rights. How likely is it that you will feel that you've got to go back to the High Court?
We won't know. It won't be for at least 18 months, because what I'm arguing for is upholding the judgment in my case, which was that only Parliament can have a say and a vote on people losing their rights. And we won't know that until the package comes back in 18 months' time. So even though the Prime Minister has made a promise, I'm saying it needs to be legally
So this is a
required.
promise, to be absolutely clear so people understand. Prime Minister has said that Parliament will have a final vote on the deal.
Yes.
And that vote, though, is allegedly on the deal or nothing. It's not a deal, it's not a vote that would allow her to go back for further negotiations. But would that satisfy you if there's a vote which is basically authorising the deal that she negotiates, or just basically saying we're out and there is no deal?
No, because
is that satisfactory for you?
No, it isn't, in my view and my legal team, because if you think about it, going on to WTO, no deal would mean that we revert to WTO.
Right. World Trade Organisation, tariffs, taxes on goods, on exports and imports.
But that would mean that individuals lose their rights. And it's only Parliament, that's what the judgment said and upheld, is that only Parliament can vote on that. So they have to be involved again.
And just to be doubly clear on this, because it was slightly ambiguous, I thought, in some of the things that you were interpreted as having said. So on Tuesday, we're going to get a vote in the House of Lords on amending her Article 50 Brexit bill.
Yes.
And that amendment would say there has to be this final vote.
A meaningful vote, yes.
And now, if the Lords carry that, and it then goes back to the Commons, and the Commons throw it out, that wouldn't be a moment for you to launch the legal case.
No, because this bill, it would be, to my mind, it's common sense, or would be common sense for the government to just pass the two amendments, one on the EU citizens and one on this vote.
But they don't want to do that.
But they don't want to do that. So the bill goes through.
And just to be clear, that's not for you,
no,
a big moment.
absolutely not, because my case was to put Parliament exactly where they are to make this vote. They make that vote, so it's not now, it's in 18 months' time.